Come test drive 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.